These tomato fields are where the journey of tomato ketchup begins, rooted in agriculture.
We have some debris on line 3. Increase the sorting speed.
Field inspections ensure tomatoes meet strict standards required for consistent tomato ketchup. Fresh tomatoes move quickly to protect flavor essential for tomato ketchup production.
Did you log the harvest time for this batch?
Yes, the variety is also recorded.
Farm stage ends as tomatoes begin their transformation into tomato ketchup. After harvest, tomatoes are graded carefully to meet strict tomato ketchup manufacturing standards. Crate labeling ensures full traceability throughout the tomato ketchup supply chain. Smart logistics protect tomatoes throughout transport to maintain premium tomato ketchup quality. Transportation ends as tomatoes arrive, ready for tomato ketchup processing. Tomatoes arrive at the factory, beginning the controlled journey toward tomato ketchup production.
Industrial washing removes contaminants, protecting tomato ketchup purity and factory hygiene.
Defect removal protects tomato ketchup flavor, color, and long-term consistency.
Clean, sorted tomatoes now advance toward conversion into iconic tomato ketchup. Powerful crushers break whole tomatoes down, starting tomato ketchup base creation. Evaporation intensifies tomato flavor, concentrating pulp for tomato ketchup production.
Precision dosing prepares tomato paste for controlled tomato ketchup recipes.
Finished base moves forward, ready for tomato ketchup cooking and seasoning.
Cooking begins as tomato ketchup base enters the temperature-controlled industrial kettles.
Signature spices transform cooked tomato base into recognizable tomato ketchup flavor. Heat unlocks deep aromas that define finished tomato ketchup character.
Viscosity looks good.
And the taste?
Perfect. We can approve the batch.
Cooked tomato ketchup advances forward, ready for purification and quality testing. Filtration removes remaining solids, refining tomato ketchup to flawless smoothness.
Microbial testing ensures tomato ketchup remains safe for global consumption. Taste balance testing preserves tomato ketchup's iconic sweet and tangy profile.
All parameters are within the acceptable range for the EU and Asian markets.
Confirmed. The viscosity levels look good.
Approved tomato ketchup now advances toward final bottling and packaging. Automated fillers precisely dispense tomato ketchup into iconic squeeze bottles.
Batch coding enables complete traceability throughout tomato ketchup distribution.
Robotic packing organizes tomato ketchup efficiently into retail-ready cartons. Packaging concludes as tomato ketchup transitions from factory floor to logistics. Warehouses organize finished tomato ketchup for secure, climate-controlled storage. Outbound logistics begin as tomato ketchup pallets move toward distribution.
Distribution networks spread tomato ketchup efficiently across regional markets.
The journey ends as tomato ketchup is enjoyed by consumers worldwide.